If you earn more than 50,000 rupees and still have no savings, this is exactly why. And no, it's not your salary. It's a system mistake that's silently keeping you broke. Every month, the same thing happens. Salary comes in, you feel rich for 2 days. Then bills, food orders, EMIs, and suddenly you're waiting for the next salary. Sound familiar? You're not bad with money. You were just never taught how money actually works. Here's the truth. Most people try to save what's left after spending. But rich people do the opposite. They spend what's left after saving. Let me show you a simple rule. Every 1 rupee you earn should be divided before you spend it. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for investments. Even if you start small, this changes everything. But wait, this is where most people fail. When your salary increases, your lifestyle increases even faster. Better phone, better rent, more subscriptions, and suddenly, even 1 lakh salary feels less. So here's a simple system you can start today. Step 1. Create a separate savings account. Step 2. Automatically transfer money the day your salary comes. Step 3. Invest it. Don't just let it sit, because saving manually requires discipline, but automation requires nothing. If you follow this, even with a 50,000 salary, you can build 5 to 10 lakhs in a few years. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. Fix this one system and your entire financial life changes. If this made sense, watch the next video on where to invest your first 10,000.